Imagine yourself immersed in a captivating virtual reality world, surrounded by breathtaking visuals and seamless gameplay. But as you delve deeper into the experience, you start to realize that your laptop is struggling to keep up with the demands of such an intense environment. The pixels begin to stutter, the frame rate drops, and the overall performance becomes choppy. This isn't a distant memory from a few years ago, but rather a frustrating experience that's all too common in today's high-performance gaming market. The truth is, most gaming laptops on the market today lack the power and efficiency to deliver a truly immersive gaming experience. They're often bulky, expensive, and energy-hungry, forcing you to make a trade-off between performance and portability. However, this is where the MSI Stealth 18HX AI 18-inch 120Hz UHD plus mini LED gaming laptop comes into play. Designed to revolutionize the gaming experience, this cutting-edge laptop boasts a powerful configuration that's specifically tailored to tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. At its core lies the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, which is engineered to provide a significant boost in performance and efficiency compared to traditional processors. But how does this translate to real-world usage? Let's dive into the design and build quality of the Stealth 18HX AI. As you lift the lid, you're immediately struck by the stunning mini LED display that stretches across the 18-inch widescreen. The vibrant colors and razor-sharp imagery are truly breathtaking, and the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a silky smooth experience that's ideal for gaming, video editing, and other graphics-intensive activities. Moving on to the keyboard and touchpad, you'll find a well-spaced and responsive layout that's perfect for typing and navigating the Windows 11 Pro interface. The chiclet keys have a nice, tactile feedback, and the touchpad is precision-engineered for precise cursor control. MSI has also included a clever cooling system that effectively dissipates heat, keeping the laptop running at optimal temperatures even during prolonged use. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features that set the Stealth 18HX AI apart from the competition. First and foremost is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, which provide a massive boost in performance and power efficiency compared to older NVIDIA graphics cards. This GPU is specifically designed to handle 4K resolutions, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics, making it the perfect choice for gaming, video editing, and other computationally intensive tasks. Additionally, you'll find 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB NVMe SSD, which provide an incredibly fast storage experience that's ideal for loading games, applications, and files. MSI has also included Wi-Fi 7, the latest wireless standard that offers faster speeds and reduced latency compared to its predecessor. Now that we've covered the key features, it's time to put the Stealth 18HX AI through its paces. In terms of gaming performance, you can expect to achieve frame rates of over 60 FPS in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey, even at 4K resolutions. This is thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, which is able to handle the complex graphics and AI-enhanced effects with ease. But the Stealth 18HX AI isn't just limited to gaming. It's also an excellent choice for professionals who require a high-performance laptop for tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and software development. In these cases, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 provides a significant boost in performance, while the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor ensures efficient multitasking and smooth performance. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Stealth 18HX AI offers unparalleled performance, stunning display, and impressive battery life. It's also built with high-quality materials and features a well-designed cooling system that keeps the laptop running at optimal temperatures. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The Stealth 18HX AI is a premium product, and as such, its price reflects that. You'll need to shell out a small fortune to get your hands on this beast of a laptop. Additionally, the battery life, while impressive, still lags behind some of the more portable laptops on the market. In terms of competition, The Stealth 18HX AI sits at the top of the gaming laptop hierarchy. It's one of the most powerful laptops available, and its stunning display and impressive performance make it an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and anyone who requires a high-performance laptop. So, is the MSI Stealth 18HX AI worth the investment? In our opinion, it's a resounding yes. This is a laptop that's designed to deliver, and it does so with ease. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or simply someone who requires a high-performance laptop for everyday tasks, the Stealth 18HX AI is an excellent choice. In terms of recommendations, we'd suggest pairing the Stealth 18HX AI with a high-performance monitor, a comfortable gaming keyboard, and a precision gaming mouse. This will ensure that you're able to make the most of the laptop's capabilities and get the most immersive gaming experience possible. In conclusion, the MSI Stealth 18HX AI is a cutting-edge laptop that's designed to revolutionize the gaming experience. With its powerful configuration, stunning display, and impressive battery life, it's an excellent choice for anyone who requires a high-performance laptop. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or simply someone who's looking for a powerful laptop for everyday tasks, the Stealth 18HX AI is an excellent choice that's sure to exceed your expectations.